Hello everyone. So today's the topic is TickWatch. By using TickWatch, you can easily track bulk and block deals live in the market. So how can you do it? Let's check it. In Monitor tab, you have a TickWatch option over here. I've already placed one. Okay, here is the load option. So load option is basically like any user already have already made a tick, made the previous settings and they have saved it. All the settings will display over here in load. Here is the settings here, all the designing part will be done. Okay, so let's come to designing part. Here is the group option. Whichever group you want to target, you can target from here. Okay, if any segment, if you want a user want a F&O segments, future segments or option segments, they can use that group as well. Okay, so if I take any specific group, I'll take one NSE all group. Okay, out of all NSE stock, we'll just filter some conditions. Here is the filter option over here. From here you can do some basic parameters settings. Low price pre-ending stock you can neglect from here. Just you have to select the price range over here. Here is the price range start and here is the end. Okay, so for example, if I say I want a stock with a 500 above only, all the conditions should satisfy above 500, then you have to select over here 500, and then here is the end part. Like for example, if I say 5000 is my maximum price range, between them only all the stocks and conditions should match. Total turnover means whole day turnover, not the particular trade, the whole day turnover of that stock. Okay, for example, active stock, if you want to identify some active stock, then a whole day turnover should be at least a 10. It's my recommended setting, but you can use your own settings. There are some stocks so the total turnover goes to about thousands, also 1000 crore. There is a 1 crore means 1 crore, there's a 10 crore I have put. Okay, it will be on considered as a crore. Here is the quantity part, is a single quantity part, means if I the standard setting is 10, means the 10 quantity, 10 shares. Okay, so if I take an example of 1000 shares, minimum 1000 shares, okay, that stock should have 500 to 5000 in bracket, then total day turnover should be at least 10 crore, or trade should have at least 1000 quantity. Okay, and that trade deal should have at least 1 lakh value. Here is the 1 lakh denote. You can go up to beyond 10 lakh crore, 10 crore as well. Okay, here is the basic parameters of my small conditions, and over here I put NSE stocks volume. Okay, and just click apply. After doing some settings, then you can click apply, and all the parameters matching with the conditions whichever we have plotted, then the results on the live market will show. Okay, I'll just remove some of the columns which are not needed. Okay, here's the date, time, okay, script, exchange code, exchange token number, here is the industry of the stock, okay, beer as, okay, here is the previous close, okay, here is the last trade, here is the previous day close, here is the quantity, total quantity of the whole day, here is the trade quantity. You remember we have put over here 1000, at least 1000. So here you can see at least single quantity, you can see 12,000 quantity, 8,500 quantity, 3,600 plus quantity. So at least I have given 1000 quantity, and that value of that 1000 quantity should have full, you can see, of 1 lakh, at least 1 lakh. So I have, you can see over here 30 lakh, 21 lakh. This is a tick value. Okay, it will be on considered as a lakh. So 30 lakh, 21 lakh, 11 lakh, something. Okay, here's the price percentage change. Open interest, I don't think so I need in the equity market. Okay, here's the price percentage change. Here's the total turnover, like we have put at least 10 crore. There is the total turnover of that stock. So you can see high volatile stocks, large cap will have high turnover. Is the IV in options. If you have used option groups, you will get the IV. Okay, so here is the 52-week high low of that particular stock. Okay, let's do some more digging into it. I have used some basic parameters. Let's now change into it. Let's at least a 50 crore turnover should have, and 1000 I'll change into multiply into 10 times, that is 10,000, and that 10,000 quantity should have at least 1 crore 100 lakhs. Okay, this is all the basic need of my stock volume finding stock. Okay, after doing that I'll click again just click on apply. Okay, now any new result will come that will consider that setting. Okay, so you can see there's now all the stocks are coming. So all NSE, all stock, you will see the results. Here's the volume stock. Now see, after 2 minutes, every 2 minutes the result will come and go. Here is the IFL stock. You can see the total quantity is this much, and 18,900 quantity is been traded at a single time. Okay, at which price? At this price. This is the previous close. I don't think so. I didn't needing this, so I'll just close it. Okay, here's the Reliance stock over here. The percentage change is this much. Total tick value is this much. This means 1 crore 7 lakh. Okay, total is 128 crore IFL stock. Okay, so here is the volumes. You can see the volumes. This I have put at 1 minute talk. It's a tick by tick data. This is a tick by tick data. So I'll just I have just used the 1 minute chart. You can see the volume of that particular tick. Okay, so here is the some parameters for my equity. Okay, I have seen people using 10 crores, means you can use your own setting and create your own volume. Okay, I have used some cases. I have also find out some stocks matching with 100 crores at a one time. Okay, 50 crore 80 crore at one time at a higher quantity. Okay, so these are usually that you bulk and block deals. You can easily, I have used a very normal, this settings are very normal. I have used it. Okay, you can use and customize at your own design. So we'll again go in TickWatch. Now it's done for future stock. In setting menu, again I'll now jump into future. I'll take future, any current month or future, the current series contract. Okay, now I'll just change little bit too, because in equity you can see 1000 quantity, 10,000 quantity, 20,000 quantity, 1 lakh quantity, but in this you cannot see that much of quantity. Here is the lot wise one. Okay, I don't think so I'll be needing this price bracket. And turnover, this also I'll uncheck. Okay, in total quantity I'll put 20 quantity, 20 lot at a one time trading, and that 20 lot should have at least 3 lakh. Okay, and I'll put over here NSE future, and I'll click apply. So whoever is matching with that condition, it will automatically show me the results. Okay, so here I guess Nifty future, I'll double click. You can see the volume. Okay, the chart is of 1 minute, so that is why you can see some volume mismatch, but it's a tick by tick data over here. Okay, the tick which we have identified. So here is the date and time. I'll remove the column which are not needed. Exchange token number, year, industry over here, last rate is there, quantity, let's take quantity. The main filter of the stock is volumes. This feature is basically for volumes. I have shown you the very basic part. Advanced part is very much more complex and much more efficient in your trading life. Okay, here is the future one. Let's check. IDFC Bank volume is there. See, let's check RSE volumes. So here is the volumes of futures. Now let's check with the option one. Again TickWatch, same. See the load part over here. You can say NSE future, which we have done it. NSE, there are many I have made it. Okay, the group part over here. option, all active stock option. I'll avoid index. Okay, I'll use only stock option. Over here price range, I'll use the same as equity only. Let's check it out. 20 and 3. Here I'll put NSE option. I'll remove this page. See, okay, volumes you can see. So here is the tick watch. By using this you can easily track the live bulk and block deals. Okay, here I have explained you the very basic or advanced. I have not gone into through it. In next video we'll go with the advanced tick watch.